Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can transfer contacts from Android to Android. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open up the Settings app on your mobile device and scroll down towards the Accounts and Backup tab. Now tap on it to access its settings and then select the Manage Account feature at the top. Once you are inside it, all of your connected accounts will be displayed. Simply select the target Google account and then tap on Sync Account. After that, toggle off the Contacts feature and close Settings. Now open the Contacts app, tap on the three bars at top left corner and a menu will slide onto your screen. Simply tap on the Manage Contacts button and then select Move Contacts. After that, select the contacts you would like to move, then select the Google account and tap on Move. Note that you must only select the Google account that you want to sign into your other Android device. Once the contacts are moved, switch over to the other Android device and again go to the Settings app. Now, go to Accounts and Backup, select Manage Accounts, and then log in that specific Google account onto this device. Once done, tap on that account and turn on the Contacts feature. After that, open the Contacts app, go to the hamburger menu and select that Google account in this drop-down. Now all of your synced contacts will be displayed. So that's basically how you can remove synced Google and Gmail contacts from Android phone. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.